stop buying this product if you're seeding. This product here is all over big box stores. Scotts Halts crabgrass and grassy weed preventer is a great product for stopping crabgrass and other grassy weeds. It's a one-time application in the spring. It's going to last all season. Then you can apply again in the fall to prevent any winter weeds, late fall weeds, and then early spring weeds of the next season. If you're going to be seeding, this is the wrong product to get. This product will stop grass seed from germinating. It is a pre-emergent. It's not designed for seeding. It will just prevent it. You're going to waste a bunch of money on your seed, and then you're going to just have a lawn that has no weeds in it, but also no grass in it because you put a pre-emergent down to stop the grass seed from growing, and you're going to be really disappointed. So if you've used this product when you're seeding in the past, it is the wrong product, and that'll explain why you've had really poor results. I'm getting asked this question, which product do you buy? And I've had people suggest that you buy this product here as a pre-emergent when you're seeding. That's wrong. Let me show you something better. Right here is an example of a product you should be buying. This is Scotts 3-in-1 Turf Builder. It has a pre-emergent in it, it has a fertilizer in it, and it helps jumpstart the lawn. I'm not too sure about that, but what we want from this is its ability to have a pre-emergent in it that can be applied when seeding, and you'll know it's safe for seeding because it says safe for seeding on the bag. If any of the products you're looking at does not say safe for seeding on the bag, do not buy. Get something like this. There's so many products out there and they all look the same, but make sure that the product you get, if you're going to be seeding, says safe for seeding. If it doesn't say safe for seeding on the side, chances are you should not get it if you're going to be seeding because it isn't safe for seeding. This Scotts product, it says it multiple places. It says safe for seeding at the top here, it says it on the side, and even in the middle of the bag here, it says built for seeding. This is a product you want to get. You could get other brands out there, but I've had the best results with this Scotts 3-in-1. I'll leave both these products linked in the description below and the YouTube shopping tab. And if you want to find out the best time to apply your pre-emergent, you should check out this video here next.